I just found out that the best-selling property type for my sales this 2023 was condominium. So 75% no nanggaling sa mga condominium sales ko. At ang nakakatuwa no, yung top 2 market natin was our clients or Filipinos living abroad at yung mga kasing edara natin, mga starting professionals or mga millennials, dahil hindi na kailangan no na makapaglabas ng malaking pera just for you to start investing in real estate, lalo na sa mga pre-selling condominium na kaka-launch lang, and they can offer you as much as 3 to 4 years to pay down payment, making your monthly down payment very low, for as low as 9,000 pesos. At ang nakakatuwa no, yung intention kung bakit bumili sila ng condominium is para gawin nilang rental income sa future, may it be for Airbnb, for short term or long term use. At ang maganda kasi sa real estate investment no,